Hey, my name is Wes Castellano. I'm the automotive specialist here at Thompson Place Auction Galleries. And this, what we have here today, is a 1997 Land Rover Defender 110 TDI. It actually has a really interesting story behind it. This one was originally sold at a dealership in Spain. Then it moved its way over to North Africa in the Sahara region. And then it was restored and brought to Germany by an American soldier and restored there. And because of the 25-year import rule that we have in the United States, it wasn't able to be brought to the United States until just about a year or two ago. It does have quite a few miles on it, 250,000 miles on it, but because of that restoration, this thing is in mint condition. The underbody was redone, it was undercoated, so there's no rust underneath. Inside, we have an all leather interior, completely redone, all working gauge cluster, a 5-speed manual transmission with a manual differential lock. I have an aftermarket stereo system with replaced speakers as well. The current owner of the car completely outdid himself with this one. All right, so under the hood, we have a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder diesel with a turbo. The engine has completely been redone, taken part to its bare bones, all the way down to the short block. Everything was redone, bearing, seals, everything like that. Obviously you have these nice new blue hoses that kind of match the interior of the engine bay. Over here we have the exhaust side of the engine with your turbo right here. And yeah, it runs great, and I'll get it started up for you. As you can see, it has a nice low idle. This engine was tuned very, very well by a reputable engine tuner down in Germany. This is quite the off-roading car as well. It has these nice all-terrain tires down here. You also have the snorkel over here. You can forge through a river with water all the way up to there. It also has the overhead luggage rack with a spare up top. In back, you also have a ladder to get up there. So this vehicle will be in our August Grandeur auction. This will be for sale on August 27th. It will be lot number 3019, that's 3019. The estimate on this one is $35,000 to $50,000, and happy bidding.